Alrighty, so this is what we look like all packed up and ready to go. I've got my trekking poles on one side, my fishing pole on the other without the rod in it. I've got my sleeping bag and sleeping pad at the bottom. I also, I didn't mention it in the video, I've got a saw. It's a fold in half saw, so I'll see, it's a little bit of weight, not really much, like a 2 or 3 ounces. It's really a light saw, but we'll see if we need to cut wood. Otherwise, it's, that's what I'm making this video for. See what weight I can cut. In the front pouch, I've got my rain gear, my rain shell, and the shell for the pack. I've also got my fishing kit, and you can see the power bait sticking out up there. That's what's in there. Also, I have the reel for the fishing rod. I've got my 50 feet of paracord at the bottom of this outer pouch with my 1 liter Nalgene bottle, and then on the other side I've got my bag of Gorp. I've got my knife strapped onto the hip belt. On the inside of the pack I've got the food on the bottom, right in the middle actually, with the water pack, obviously the bladder. Then I've got my cook set, and my clothing is up top, and then in the very top pouch, which comes off and can turn into a summit pack, that's where I have my little ditty bag with the sanitation wipes, and my electronics kit, and my hat is all up there. And then I also have this other little ditty bag down here off the side that I can grab real easy. You can see my my water sitting there. And that's what it looks like all packed up. So we can take it over and see what it weighs without water or the freeze-dried food. Let's see. Through the kitchen, out a door, and over. This is my brother-in-law's pack. You can see he's got a little bit different setup on his, but still, he's got that thing going on. So let's see the mighty scale. Wow. It's actually looking like a solid 30 pounds right now. Wow. So we gotta see maybe if I can cut some weight out of that, because the water is definitely gonna add some weight. So is the food. So I may have to lose a little poundage there. So I'll figure a way. But that's kind of what it's looking like right now. So, alrighty. It's a little bit less, actually. This scale's funky. Now it's reading like 25. But it's kind of weird. So, we'll probably weigh it on a better scale, but it's somewhere between 25 and 30. So, that's it. That's my pack. Alright.